Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error not enough quota is available to process this command. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Sync Center. Click Manage Offline Files. Click Disk Usage. Click Change Limits. Change maximum amount of space all offline files can use. Click OK. Click OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.